There is a mushroom that grows out of a living caterpillar that can fight cancer cells. And now scientists know how it works. Science fiction, right? No, it's real weird science. This is the story of the caterpillar fungus, a parasitic mushroom that turns insects into unwilling participants in its life cycle. And now, new research uncovers the mystery behind how this fungus targets cancer-growing pathways, a critical piece of information for developing future cancer treatments. Welcome to Science Behind Headlines, where we break down the research behind the news, a channel for curious minds. Today, we're exploring groundbreaking research on a remarkable mushroom and its role in the quest to cure cancer. This content is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Ancient healers praised caterpillar fungus as a powerful remedy. Could this wisdom hold the key to a cancer cure? Will caterpillar fungus pass the rigorous test of modern research? A bright orange column of fungus growing straight up out of a caterpillar. Could something so strange actually revolutionize medicine? Let's explore the science behind the caterpillar fungus and its active compound, Cordycepin. The scientific name for caterpillar fungus is Cordyceps militaris. It is a fungus that grows on an unsuspecting host, typically an insect of some kind. For centuries, this parasitic fungus has been revered in Asia as a health remedy. How does a fungus that consumes insects end up fighting cancer? Please hit subscribe, and a quick like, comment, share, or subscribe really brightens our day. Scientists from the University of Nottingham have made an exciting discovery about cordycepin, a chemical compound produced by the caterpillar fungus, or more technically, Cordyceps militaris. This compound has shown promise as a cancer treatment by interrupting the cell growth signals that go haywire in cancer. But scientists have always been puzzled by critical information about how this action works. Unlike many current cancer therapies that harm healthy tissues, cordycepin offers a more targeted approach. It interferes with overactive growth pathways, effectively slowing down or halting cancer cell proliferation. This precision could lead to treatments that are less harmful to healthy tissues than chemotherapy or radiation therapy. Cordyceps has been a staple of traditional medicine in Asia for centuries, celebrated for its supposed health benefits. But only recently have scientists begun to unravel the molecular secrets behind its medicinal properties. Cordycepin, one of its key compounds, has been linked to anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and now anti-cancer effects. The research team used advanced techniques to analyze how cordycepin affects genes across multiple cell lines. Their findings revealed that cordycepin works by targeting growth-inducing pathways universally present in cancer cells. By tracing its journey inside the cell, they confirmed its transformation into cordycepin triphosphate and identified it as the molecule responsible for disrupting cancer cell growth. Cordycepin is converted inside cells into cordycepin triphosphate, a molecule that mimics ATP, a cell's energy currency. By doing so, it interferes with overactive growth pathways, effectively slowing down or halting cancer cell proliferation. This breakthrough is more than just an explanation of how cordycepin works. It's a blueprint for developing new cancer treatments. According to the researchers, derivatives of cordycepin could be engineered to enhance the production of its triphosphate form, making it even more effective. Additionally, the research team identified specific genes that reliably respond to cordycepin. This opens the door to more precise patient monitoring, as these genetic markers could be measured in blood cells to track the drug's effects. So now we know the promising results. You might be curious to learn more about Cordyceps militaris. This fungus begins its life as a parasitic spore, invading a living insect and eventually consuming it. The process is gruesome but fascinating, culminating in the emergence of fruiting bodies from the insect's remains. The life cycle goes somewhat like this. First, the fungus infects a living insect by releasing spores that attach to the insect's body. But it doesn't kill the insect right away. As the fungus spreads, it consumes the host's tissues for nutrients, often sparing critical organs until the final stages. Once the fungus has consumed enough of its host, it delivers the final blow. The insect dies, and the fungus shifts to its reproductive phase. Bright orange fruiting bodies emerge from the insect's body, typically from the head or abdomen. Finally, the mushroom releases spores into the environment, starting the cycle again. But that is not all. In some cases, the fungus even exerts control over its host's behavior. While Cordyceps militaris doesn't manipulate behavior as dramatically as its infamous cousin, Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, the so-called zombie ant fungus, it still pushes its host to stay in an environment favorable for fungal growth. This fascinating parasitic relationship has inspired research into the fungus's bioactive compounds, such as cordycepin, which have potential health benefits. So why would a cancer-fighting mechanism be unlocked in a fungus growing on an insect? Over millions of years, Cordyceps militaris has developed a chemical arsenal to survive and thrive in harsh environments. These same chemicals, like cordycepin, are proving to be powerful tools for modern medicine. While Cordyceps is deadly to its hosts, it also plays a crucial role in ecosystems by controlling insect populations. And for humans, its bioactive compounds, like cordycepin, have sparked interest in treatments for cancer, inflammation, and even aging. Cordyceps militaris is more than just a parasitic fungus. It's a testament to the untapped potential of nature. From its deadly precision as an insect parasite to its life-saving promise as a cancer therapy, this tiny mushroom is rewriting the rules of medicine. The opinions expressed do not necessarily reflect those of this channel. Always consult your healthcare provider before making decisions about your health.